Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an unexpected unboxing to share with you. This is another 21P Chanel unboxing. So I'm gonna get into the unboxing right away and then explain it after I show you what it is, because this was very unexpected, but I will explain why I kind of impulsively chose to get this after I show you what it is. So I just picked it up. This is a true unboxing. I did curbside pickup because stores are still closed here. So here's the receipt. Okay, so I'm really excited about this one. 21P is just such a great collection. I've really loved so many pieces from this collection. Okay, so here's the box. And it is a bag, as you can tell. Okay. Nicely packaged, as always. The dust bag to reveal. Excited. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So as you can see, it is another 21P brown bag. All right, let me just get this. So if you saw my last Chanel unboxing, I did get the 21P brown Chanel 19. And my essays knew that I really wanted something in this color. The 19 I did end up getting from Dear Luxe, but yesterday my essay called and said she had this, the Business Affinity, in the size medium in the brown, and I've actually never owned a Business Affinity bag before and always wanted to try the style. And so when she offered it to me, I couldn't resist because number one, it's this beautiful brown or caramel. And yeah, and I really wanted to try this style. And it is even nicer in person, I have to say. Wow, the caviar is really nice on this. Again, not showing up completely true to color. It's a little more yellow on camera than it is in real life. It is really a beautiful caramel color in person. Yeah, so this is the medium size. Like I said, I've never owned the Business Affinity, but this looks like a really nice size. And since it's a crossbody top handle, I thought I would like this style because that is the style of bag that I really love. So this is what the inside looks like. I'll definitely do a first impressions review on this once I've used it a little bit, but this I just wanted to unbox. So it is made in Italy, and oh my goodness, it is such a pretty color. Okay, so this is a 30 series, 309. And yeah, this color, I know everybody's going crazy for this color this season, and I can completely see why. It is such a beautiful color. And the caviar on this one is really soft and has a nice sheen to it. It's really pretty. It's got light gold hardware. I'm just trying to look at all the details because I've never actually looked at this bag in person either. And I like that this one has the thicker chain. I know the small has that thin chain, which I'm just not a big fan of the really thin chains. So this one's nice and thick, and I love the back pocket. It seems like a really functional bag. And I did want to show you it next to the 19 just to compare and see if they are the exact same color. Yeah, very close. In person, it's very close. It's just the texture of the leather is very different. So I'm going to see which one I reach for more, because they are both, you know, similar size top handle crossbody bags in, you know, the same color. So I want to see which one I reach for more. I don't know, because I've never used the style, I don't know how it's going to work for me. I think it will, but you just never know. So, yeah, so I'm going to keep them both for now, and we'll see how they work out. I think this one's a little more durable because it is caviar, although the lambskin 19s are more durable than a classic lambskin bag. But yeah, we'll see which one I end up reaching for more. I will keep you updated. So for the Business Affinity in medium, in Canadian dollars, it was $5,400 plus tax. So that is it for this unboxing. I'm going to keep it short. Let me know what you think. If you have owned the Business Affinity or currently own it, let me know what you think of this style. I've watched a few videos on it. After my SA offered it to me, I did watch a few videos, and it does seem like a really good everyday bag, especially in this size. I think the small is pretty small, which I mean is fine because I like small bags, but yeah, this is the size that was offered to me. I was also offered a 19 style wallet on chain in the brown, but I passed on that because I have that wallet on chain. I have one in my collection in the blue color, and as much as I love that color, I just don't reach for the wallet on chain. That style, for some reason, I just don't reach for it, and I find the strap really long. But anyway, I'm really happy to have this in this color. I'm glad I get to try this style in this beautiful color. Let me know what you think. If you like this type of video and you haven't already, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.